Meaning of incorruptible.
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 Incorruptible. The term incorruptible refers to someone or something that is unable to be corrupted or influenced in a negative way. It is often used to describe individuals who possess unwavering integrity, moral principles and honesty, and therefore, cannot be swayed or compromised by external factors like money, power, or personal gain. Being incorruptible is a highly desirable trait and is often associated with leaders and public officials who are expected to act in the best interest of their constituents without giving in to outside pressure. This characteristic is essential for maintaining trust in any relationship, especially those involving power dynamics.